Hello guys. Hello. Let the team join in. Da, da, da. Hey Rahul, nice to see you, man.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Hey, doing good, man. Good morning.
Good morning, all.
Doing perfect, man. Hey, everybody, turn on your webcam. Otherwise, there is no need of Zoom if you're not doing that. Yes, start showing up yourself, people. Start showing up yourself. Yes, Muskan, we see you. Yes, Neha, we see you. Hello. Muskan, you're on mute. Ria, you're on mute. Hello. Hey, hi.
Morning.
Good morning. Nice to see that smile on your face. Good morning. Sneha, good to see you as well.
Good morning, sir. Sir,
morning.
today I have Arohi's birthday. We will wish to her together.
अरे तो करो ना. Happy birthday, Arohi.
Thank you.
Hey,
Happy birthday, Arohi.
Hey, come on, everybody.
Happy birthday, Arohi. Happy birthday, Arohi.
Dear Arohi. Happy
Birthday to you.
Thank you all. Good morning.
Good morning, Arohi. So how are you feeling? तो स्नेहा actually drop me a message कि यार wish करते मैंने ठीक है बोले सर wish नहीं करेंगे तो मैं आ जा रही हूँ देती हूँ कान के नीचे.
Hi guys, good morning. Hi Toshi, good morning.
Hey, good morning people. Okay, I think all the team is joining in. Okay, we are like 13 participants in the house. Rahul, me, Ria, Sneha, Pooja, Ashish, Supriya, Sony.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. We have Sheba, we have, who is this one? Saurav is there, Kanish. Chalo, everybody turn on your webcam. We will be getting started.
अरे यार मैं मुंह के ऐसे कैसे करूं?
ये क्या हुआ? ये कौन था?
Kanish. Hi bro, good morning.
Hey, good morning. Hello. Nice to see all the people in the house. Okay, अपने
Good morning, sir.
ये अच्छा कनिश थी. Kanish, your video is not on.
I know, sir.
Good morning.
Don't tell me, Kanish, you are just sleeping and अभी आँख बस रब करके उठ गई है.
No, sir. I attend the yoga session. I woke up at 5 o'clock.
फिर कहाँ है? वीडियो किधर है?
वीडियो नहीं दिखाऊंगी सर आज.
वीडियो किधर है?
नाइस. ठीक है पता नहीं आज looks
सर
like
कल का बिरयानी खा के अभी तक सोई हुई है इसलिए नहीं दिखाना चाहती और एक्सक्यूजेस.
अरे ऐसा कुछ नहीं. मैं स्वेलिंग है सिर में क्योंकि कुछ ज्यादा सो गई. कल 10:30 बजे ही सो गई थी.
बिरयानी पे आ गई.
Okay. So it was a busy day yesterday. Okay, guys. So I think we have some team with us. Okay, so who are our three people? Rahul. अरे अक्षय कहाँ है?
Yeah.
Hey, hi Akshay.
है वो यहाँ है.
हीरो लग रहा है भाई अक्षय. हाँ. ठीक है. So we have और आगे क्या? Okay, Mahesh is joining in. Let's join that person as well. ओसी किधर है? अच्छा, ओसी का इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम पहले से ही चलते रहता है क्या? ओके, so he's still struggling with the battle. And where is good morning. अरे साले अक्षय म्यूट पे डाल के बात कर रहे हैं.
Sorry.
Okay. Ashish, Rahul, and OC. So these are the three people who would be helping us summarize the books basically. And yes, so कहाँ है राहुल? Where is the rest of the guys? अच्छा है। अरे अक्षय किधर?
Yes,
आशीष
Ashish.
कहाँ पे घूम रहा है?
Uh,
Dead?
no, bhai. Actually, I was setting some. I was set up. I mean, I was doing some setup. So
हो गया है क्या?
voice was not coming properly initially. So I reset my. I mean,
Okay.
restarted my phone and then.
So is it all good now? Back to normal?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. And when is OC joining in? What's the plan? कोई call कर लो यार उसको.
Yeah, yeah. Rahul,
Okay,
can
I'm
you please
calling.
do that?
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. So
Yeah.
yeah, guys,
Hi,
the
very
floor
good
is
morning
up
to
to
all.
you. Okay.
Very good morning to one and for all present here in the house.
Yeah, good morning to you as well.
Good morning.
Yeah.
क्या बात है? स्नेहा
So
बराबर
you know
है. Sneha does all this
today's
very nicely.
yeah. So today is Sunday and we all know that right. It's a fun day, but today we are making some more value added session, right? We will make it some value added session with fun also. So we have three guys like Oshi, Rahul, and me. Today we will, give some live examples like whatever we felt till at after book reading and all. We have read some of the books and come up with uh, some. Uh, see, everyone are having some problems in life in their life, right? And how the book reading and all they can that can impact their lives and all. So it's a good habit and we have followed and uh, maybe it is, I mean, it will be definitely, it will be very good if I'm thinking so.
Okay.
Yeah. So today we have we have sorry, I have read one book which is one thing. So I will be telling that book, summarizing and all what exactly it is and how I am taking it is in my daily life. So there are some few things, few concepts are there in the book which I am taking in my daily life, and really it is going to, changing my entire living way of living, whatever it is. So yes, so the one thing, the main, the one thing book, the name is the one thing, and the author was the Gary Keller. So what he has, he has described very well with some live examples and all. So the one thing is, uh, you have to think big. What is the one thing he wanted to capture it one picture, like what is the one thing. And everyone is having their, everyone is having their destiny where we all want to go, right? So everyone should have one destiny where we all want to go, and we should figure out the things, right? We should figure out the things where we all want to go. And so he has described very well in the book. So yes, so the first thing is, we have to dream big, we have to think big. See, if our thinking will be, if our thinking power is big and we are thinking very good, we are dreamt very good, and so our subconscious mind is very, playing the key role here, right? So yes, so our subconscious minds, what it will do, it will take it as a, again and again it will striking in mind. So it will always tell you that yes, you want to get these things and you have to do this thing. Don't think like this is not possible for me. Think like yes, it is possible for me. So do big and think big.
Guys,
That
there is one
beautifully
thing.
described in the.
There is one thing to add here. Okay, so many people,
Yeah.
like in the current world, many people are like, hey, I want to make a lot of money, this, that, right? Many people would be
Yeah.
always thinking about that. Okay, you know what psychologist says? People are not able to earn a lot of money because they think that they don't deserve much money. You might just complain, I want have more money, but in your mindset you think so small, like okay, your package ranges, you don't broaden up. did you ever think of starting something at a scale of like entire India level or a world level? Our minds doesn't even operate at that level, and because our minds doesn't go to that point, we don't make that much money right from
So
childhood.
really है.
Yes,
हाँ.
yes, true.
Real example.
Ah.
Real example is. So in one goal achievement, I said to sir, sir, मैं 50,000 तो कमा ही लूँगा जिंदगी में. And that day sir said, हाँ, and that day sir said, Rahul, you go sit, think, and read this book. हाँ, and when I do all these things, then suddenly I am believing on that. Yeah, I am achieving that big things in my life.
Yes, yes, it works, it works, it works. Okay. So that's where, guys. And basically, you need to realize the sooner you realize, na, because we are all coming from the middle class backgrounds, our goals and our entire family tuning it in this manner, ki bhai, complete the education, get the job, and start making money, maybe 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, something like that. And uske beyond to sochta hi nahi. Nobody thinks beyond that. Okay. If you make like 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs, like life is done then. Okay. And like nobody even gets a thought to like, okay, think something. Yeah, in CRs we can start something of our own. That innovation is completely missing. Nothing but our thought process is so much limited that we don't even go to that. And because we don't think that broad, so we don't get it in life. So the sooner you understand, and the people who actually make it possible are the people who actually do that. They think big people. Okay. So that's what
Yeah,
Ashish is
initially,
mentioning.
yes. Initially, we need to figure out where we want to
Correct.
go. I mean,
Yes.
the clear-cut path we should have. If we have, clear-cut path, then what to say? Like our journey will be very easy, right?
Yes,
If
the
we have,
destination should be
yes,
known.
clear-cut path.
Sure,
So,
sure.
so we should, figure out the things where our destiny is, and
Mhm.
everyone want to go at a good place, and maybe by a name, by a fame also. So
Mhm.
it is, it's your, duty, like where you want to go. If you have good plans and if you want to go on good places, then definitely you will go. If you think like that, and if you don't think like that, the destiny will not be. You will not achieve at all. If
Correct.
you have to, very, you should have very clear cut path. So if
Right,
I
right.
say this one,
Yes, I would like to add one thing.
Yes, yes, go ahead.
yeah,
Uh, in Seven Habits of Successful People, I read no recently. In that also, like about map, it is written like we need to have proper map. If we want to go somewhere like Delhi, and if we try to choose the path to go to Punjab, we can't go right like that. Like that, it's mentioned. We should have the proper paths so that we will be on the correct way.
yeah,
We
Yes,
have to
yes.
keep rechecking whether we are going in a right way or not.
Correct, correct. Nice, nice,
Hey,
nice.
hello,
If we don't know where we have to go, then it won't work.
Yeah, direction is
yeah.
required.
The exact
Yes.
path and destiny
Exact
should be
path.
there.
Yeah.
Continue,
So, okay,
Ashish.
hello.
Okay, what are the other eyes? OC.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So, Ashish, continue, Ashish. I'll add some point later. Okay.
Yeah. And the second thing which I learned from this book is prioritize the work, right? And I'm prioritizing day by day, making it action, or in that action hour I'm planning what I want to achieve in next coming hours. So I'm planning, day by day in that. So in this book, the Gary has described very, very, in very detailed manner, like how you can prioritize your work. And this is, I think, this is very important, right? And if we know what we want to do in next coming time, so it will be, it will be easy for us.
Yes,
So
yes.
we should prioritize our work in a very, a good manner,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So the second learning was the prioritization of work.
Yeah.
And
Guys, I'll
the
just
third
tell you
learning which I
wait. Okay, just one thing to add with regards to prioritization, guys. Okay.
Yeah.
The entire IT industry, the way the industry is running, successful projects and all, so it is all working based on this priority model itself. There are always 1,000 things to be done, guys. Okay, for anything to be done for a project or in life, there is always going to be so many things. But human being, we need to know that you cannot do 10 things at the same time. You will not be efficient in 10 things at the same time. Your mind will be distracted, your context switching will be too much. And that's where, why is like even multi-threaded, well, people talk about multi-core machines or multi-threaded machines. They say that between switching of these cores you would lose time there. So that's where it's okay. Why Node.js, Redis, these are application softwares, they are building up with only one single thread. Okay, because they don't want that much of parallel processing and switching and all those things. So one thread itself keeps doing things, and that too for some extended time. So they are saying compared to a multi-threaded system, one threaded model will be more efficient to work with, because maintenance management would be more with bigger system. So that's where, guys, so all these things people are trying to learn, observe, and apply in life as well. And that's what, in all the project there are always 10 things. And guys, I want you people to really relate your life a kind of a project. So in IT, why is IT successful? Because everything is happening based on planning,
Yes,
execution, prioritizing, focus on the important thing, not important things park it for later. If possible, not important things, you can rework on that, even change the requirements. But in life, nobody is that serious to really monitor and organize all these things in this manner. Maybe we might be struggling with some mental issues or some relationships problem. You don't really get into the charge ki okay abhi meko pura fix karna hai and I'll be getting it done in the right manner. We are not that much serious about our life because it is gifted freely, and like whatever you do, whether you live it in a good way or the bad way, things will just pass away. Okay, and that's why we are not
yes,
serious
yes,
towards life. Okay, and I just want to say ki this prioritization thing in your entire life, it is important. Okay, and if you don't
yes,
prioritize, it has its own consequences, and I've faced it a lot of times in the project work. If non-important work is being executed first, then you are in a complete black box key bhai, what is going to happen when the much needed thing needs to be done, and there would be surprises coming as part of that, and then life will show you consequences. Okay, so similarly in life
Yes.
also, at any given point of time, give value for important things. Okay, give value for important things, and like prioritize on a daily by daily basis, like okay, what is most important thing right now. Maybe some of your relationships might be getting broken these days. Okay, so but you are still crazy about money and like work, but you need to understand ki bhai, at this point of time, money thing and my career thing can still wait, because one of my crucial relationship of my life is at a breakage. Okay, prioritize it. Can I have to fix this one today, maybe with friends, maybe with relatives, something like that, and then get it sorted out. Otherwise, what will happen is, if you are not thinking about these priorities now, slowly you would start becoming isolated in life. Okay, and like you would be in the end alone, just you, maybe your spouse, your children, your parents, and the rest of the world will be like, hey, that person is selfish, he doesn't even care. That kind of conclusions will be coming through. So don't allow these things to go away, and that's where prioritize your entire life, looking at your entire picture, whatever you are in your life, it's very important. Okay, and then one by one
yeah,
you start attacking it, results will be more. Yes, yeah, Ashish, going back.
yeah. So I will add one more thing here, which
Uh-huh.
I mean faced in my in office, in company.
Okay.
So what happened. Uh, Actually, 3 4 tasks assigned to me at same time, right? So at that time I was not able to prioritize the thing, like which one is very important, which one is very critical. At that situation it came to me, actually. So the less important work I did, I took a lot time to finish that one, because it is it was also important, but not that much important as compared to the other one.
Mm-hmm.
So I took lot of time, and lot of time in the sense ki some time extra, according to the deadline, right? And deadline also came to me.
Mm-hmm.
So my architect said, like, hey, this one is not not as prioritized. Prior,
As
you have to do
important.
this one.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
yes, yes. So this one, this problem I faced, and then I realized that no, 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 the prioritization should be, should be there. So
Mm.
this one is the thing. And uh, don't be a multitasker at a time. Be focused one thing at one time, so it will, the result will be very good. So if we are, बोलते हैं ना कि दो नौके में पैर नहीं रखो, गिर जाओगे,
Mm-hmm.
ऐसा करके. So
Mm-hmm.
don't be focused on the multiple things at a time. Focus on one thing which is very important. So the result will be very good if you do that one. And yeah, the next learning which I
wait.
learned
This
from
is
this
this
book
is
is
very important. Okay, guys, understanding this point is really critical. You might be like, hey, human brain is so much capable. Like we can do 10 things at the same time, and like we have power, we have potential. Like everybody get these kind of thoughts, right? Hey, we can drive at the same time, we can talk, we can communicate. So, and if we just do one thing at the same time, how would you get results? That comes naturally, right? Like one matlab, like you are not really doing multiple things together, so how would results be coming? It's really important to understand ki what happens is, if at the same time, dekho guys, you have one brain and there are a lot of thoughts already inside this, and now if suppose multiple work is coming to you, work or any life situations, multiple things to deal with at the same time, okay? So but conscious brain can focus on only one given thing at one time. If you're trying to do something, that's how naturally you are. So even though you are saying ki bhai, if I am driving and talking, the brain is actually split into two activities, and it will not be focusing on both the activities to the 100%. Okay, so 50% division has happened. That's where your entire focus is not on driving, and your entire focus is also not on conversation. Okay, and then what people say is you can do multiple things at the same time, considering that some of the items should be like very lenient activity, maybe walking on the road. If it is that natural to you, okay, you're just walking on the road, okay, it doesn't need much of your brain to put into it, it will do automatically, then you can do some other things at the same time as well. But where concentration is required, where focus is required, where time criticality is there, at that time you should not split yourself into like multiple fragments, because your brain will not be getting the results which it can actually get. Okay, so it's okay to take on things in parallel, but the value and the effect or the weightage of these things should be of different levels. If things are easy, you pick that, but along with that, priority one major item where must results required, you need to pick that. Okay, and it really works. And okay, it has to be something like that ki when you are focusing on this one particular thing for getting the results, at that time don't care about what is happening to the other things. Okay, you need,
yes,
Yeah.
this is a very strong thing to be understood. Like Ashish said,
And
by do naon mein pair mat rakho. What will happen is both the boats will sink in the end. If you're trying to balance yourself on two boats, both will sink because you'll not be able to do a good job. It's fine, you have to, that's where it's a tough decision. It's okay to let one boat sink because you want to save the other, or the effect could be you drown both basically. And many people are not able to
so,
make these decisions in life. Yes, OC.
yeah, so one live example what I want to add here. If you follow Sachin Tendulkar, then you know Sachin Tendulkar is very good at tennis and cricket, but very good means not like average when he started career. He's very good at tennis and he's very good at cricket. But at certain time he leave tennis for cricket so that he will focus on one thing, one activity, so that it will be he'll be great today. Imagine if he didn't do that, if he performed both follow both these passions simultaneously, he'll be ended like an average career. We didn't know Sachin Tendulkar who is Tendulkar. So at that time he leave that tennis and focus on cricket, and will know the result. He
Yeah,
is the god of cricket. Okay,
yeah, so that is
and
like live example.
multitasking. Yeah. So multitasking is a myth, is a lie. So humans, I mean, our mind is not designed. Our mind is not built like thing like that. Like we can perform multitasking at a
With
time.
same concentration,
So
same
it is like a
concentration.
yeah, yeah. It is like it is a computer thing. Basically, computer doesn't do multitasking at a time. He just
Mm-hmm.
switches in fraction of second, and we see that, and we just see that and amazed like he's doing multitasking. So he means computer doesn't do multitasking, like he's just changing one task from another task like in
Yeah,
fraction second, fraction
yeah.
second.
True.
And
Yeah,
our mind is not built like
correct.
that, like we are came out of one feelings and suddenly and what focus on
And
another thing.
Correct,
So
right, OC. Yeah. Akshay, you want
one
to
day
add
One,
sir
something?
also
Acha.
I want to
sir
add.
also gives it.
अच्छा रुक जा राहुल, थोड़ा रुक जा राहुल, थोड़ा ये अक्षय
अरे
को
बोलो
पूछना है,
बोलो.
बहुत दिन से बहुत देर से उसका हाथ हल रहा है, मैं बोलता Go ahead,
Sir,
Akshay.
what happened, in past 2 days, I was attending spring class in 6 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
and but I am attending spring class, but in my mind there was another thoughts are means I was thinking something another,
Mm-hmm.
and after that class, I was analyzing what happened in the class. Even I am not मीन्स मैं कुछ याद ही नहीं आ रहा था क्या हुआ
Okay.
क्लास में
You were not able to
Focus
मतलब
recollect
on
what's happening in the
हाँ
class because there was something
focus on
else
nothing.
running. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So ये नहीं करना चाहिए. Yeah, you should not do
नहीं करना चाहिए
that.
And sir gave the example of one evening session
Uh-huh.
that music composer. So when he achieved the most, when he feel good, so when he focused, so and he also gave sir gave the answer. So when he is in rhythm, when he focused at one place, so his hands is automatic divided on him, and music automatically play in rhythms like
Mm-hmm.
that. So
Mm-hmm.
that time he is more concentrate at one place.
Yes, yes. Yeah, it works. Yes, Ashish, back to you. What's the next learning? Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So the next one I wanted to add this family and work related things.
Mm-hmm.
So actually I'm trying
Guys,
to add
important. This is
my
very important stuff. Many people in life get so much mixed into like personal life, professional life, this drama, that drama. You would hear a lot in your working career, basically. Now let's see what exactly Ashish has
yes.
to add at this point.
So yes, yes. So I will be adding this 1 minute, please. This laptop volume. Actually, both in the places I signed in, like right. So the voice is echoing and getting
Now
problem.
it's better. Now it's
Now is it good,
yes,
right?
yes, it's good. Continue.
Yeah,
Yes.
good, good.
So I wanted to add this one, like we should make, family life and work life should be balanced, and don't mix up with both of them, right?
Mm-hmm.
Everyone is important at that time, at that time, but you should not, correlate the things. uh, if you are at workplace, do your best in your workplace. If you are in family, spend time with family.
Mm-hmm.
See, office work in office, home work in home, right? So we should think like that, and balance is very important. If we want to what to say, if we want to uh, i mean uh, mm, balance is very important, as we all know that, and we are goal uh, drill session also. Always we are thinking like, yes, we have personal goals that we have set, financial goal we have set, fun and luxurious goal we have set, and a contribution to the society we have set. So each of them we should have balance also. So the same thing applies here also in what in
Hmm.
work life and with family life. So balance is very important.
Okay, guys. So, like, just to add to this point, okay. So, what important thing ki, what is happening, guys? In many companies, I'm seeing in many work-related stuff. Okay, when you are actually doing work, okay, and there are tight timelines, pressure, and all that, always there. So, wherever you guys will be working
Yes.
in your life as well, there is always going to be. I'm not just talking about IT industry, any industry you pick. There is always like work-related something, okay. But if something has gone wrong in your personal life, what is happening is whatever 8 hours 9 hours you're spending daily at your work, in that you would be getting these home problems, relations problem, and your mind will be choked because of that. Now when all those things are coming up in your life, what is going to happen is you will not be able to focus on your work aspects. Now what has happened is your personal things have gone wrong, even your professional things will go wrong because you are actually trying to sail in many things at the same time. But that's what is the current life these days, okay. You need to actually understand, like in my life I have been into such situations where I was forced actually to make choices, okay. And then what happened, there were cases where I just told to my team members, I told to my even like whoever lead was there at that time, right now there is something bigger happening in my life because of which I'm not able to focus on the work. So like just don't expect me to deliver this on time. communication is very important, guys. If you're actually facing struggle in your life, you need to tell it, and then you're telling it genuinely, because when regular time is there, I'll be like putting all my efforts to get the work done and things will be back. Okay. So then I told him, actually there was a case like this. I told ki, bhai, this is a very tough phase happening in my life. I will not be able to concentrate on work and get the project done. If you want, you can put me to bench, and I cannot continue with this project for a long time. Maybe 2-3 weeks of time I need to have a gap here, otherwise your project will be at risk. I told this thing very clearly. Okay. And देखो guys, when you're so genuine, right, सामने से that person tells me, hey Tausif, I know ke what you are, and if you are really saying all these things, I know ke things might be really tough, but we have seen you in the past. We are okay to even risk 3 weeks of non-productivity of yours, but you be with the project. After 3 weeks you start contributing back, and if the things are getting further worse, at that time we will think about what needs to be done. Okay. And then by telling that, I am already like, okay, fine, I'm not going to focus much on my work, but even in that time I would try to solve my main problem in my life right now. Okay. So that's how, guys, you need to balance. You cannot, like, otherwise Akshay wala thing, yesterday went for a class, but his brain is having something else in his mind. The point is, Akshay should first settle what that thing is to a peaceful conclusion. Then the mind would be like, ah, that is done, now let's focus back to the class. Okay. So you need to prioritize it. You need to focus on what needs to be done at what time, because it is one life, 24 hours, and you need to have the right nature of balance in all those things. Otherwise it would start affecting each other. Many people, the reverse of it, like after going home, still thinking about the office, project, work, and then they are not able to give the family time. Okay. That's what is going to happen. So don't drag things here and there. Focus, cleanly close it, and then get it moving on. Yes, Ashish, moving on. आशीष
Yes.
10 minute बाकी है,
So-
roughly 10 minute बाकी है. Every Zoom connect we do, we would be picking up one book, closing one book. So share the valuable learnings for next like 8-10
Yes,
minutes.
yes.
Yeah.
So the balance is very important, right? And after balance, the discipline and habits. We should have a good habits and discipline. If we are doing any work, we should discipline in the manner. If we are doing, work related task or this transformation task, we should discipline very well, right? If we are not disciplined towards our work, our things will not be get done rightly. So we should have discipline habit, and if we make this habit in one by one, day by day, it will be, so it will be adding to your value. So this will be it's very important. If you are doing any work, you should have discipline in your work. So here that, like IT companies are also happening like this. So
Yes.
9 hours is working. So in 9 hours you have to very dedicated, like you have to complete the task in the current situation and that situation. So be disciplined. So yeah, so this is important.
Okay. How many points more you have to add, Ashish? How many more things to be done?
Yeah, so-
Otherwise we can spend some time on discipline factor as well. What more? How many more points?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so discipline has done, and discipline we should make it discipline habit.
Okay.
Balance has done, multitasking has done. I
Mhm.
think almost has completed.
Okay.
So yeah.
Fine. So guys, with regards to discipline, देखो, we all know that कि भाई, in life if you want to get results na, structure is very important, discipline is very important. Okay. Nothing but otherwise the human mind will go in numerous directions. We have to give a structure to it and then be consistent with that with a self-discipline practice. Someday you might not feel like waking up at 5 a.m., but you're disciplined. There is a disciplined person in you which says, okay, it is tough, but let me not compromise on this habit. I want to wake up. Okay. It is tough, guys. That's where many people in the world are not able to change. Okay. But if you want to really become successful, then you have to push yourself to always be disciplined, because in a long run, maybe one day here and there is fine, but in a long run journey, your commitments, your self promises, many people say like, okay, I want to do this new thing full-fledged 100%, and like new year resolutions, I will be doing this, and in 2 weeks it all fails, because that discipline, that consistent practice of doing it is not really applying to people. And you need to understand why it is happening. Our entire life transformation 10 p.m. sessions were arranged around that itself, because your old version of you will not take this new habit, And second thing, you cannot do like 1,000 things at the same time and then be a master in all the things. You have to keep incrementally adding some capability in you on a day by day basis. Okay, slow growth in yourself on a day by day basis. Acquire a new habit, apply it in your life, be stable with it. Once it is good, then add something incremental on top of that. And that is where, guys, that Robin Sharma said, small but daily improvements will be making you a winner in life. Because we are talking about next what 66 years of our lives, and many people think like nahin, ek saal ke andar hi you have to become everything. It's not possible, right? In 1 year you cannot master everything. You need to spread up the learning over a period of time. Then in that, one by one, it might, dekho guys, for me to think like this, it took 10 years. Okay, I'm not the same like it you took 10 years of failures, learnings, sufferings, because it was self learning process. But I think with you people, if I can summarize it, you might be the same thinking brain in maybe less than 5 years of time. Because other things, whatever I am sharing, you will apply it in your life, you will find failures of that. Maybe for you some things might apply in a different manner. So you have to experiment it more. In that you would learn, okay, maybe Tausif's situation was different then, so he applied, it worked, but for you it's not working. So your brain needs to figure out what will work for you. But I'm very much sure if your brain thinks in this direction, if you make this reading habit as your reading habit, then in 4 years, 5 years, you can be the same person like whatever I am thinking. And I'm already know like many people have already started bypass. But point is consistency. Because I even know like people might grow beyond, but they will even come back because discipline is missing in people. And that is where this entire advanced life transformation program, this is of a long-term journey. We are not saying in 21 days itself close it and wind it up, because guys, in 21 days change will not be permanent. Many people will still roll back, and that's where I continued, extended ke bhai 3 mahina karo, 6 months, whatever time you guys want, but be as long as it becomes a permanent routine for you. And there are a lot of analysis research by a lot of people where they say ki when and what stuff, basically okay, how much time it will take. Be consistent, that's what it is, till it becomes permanent, and keep adding one by one new habits to you. But consistency, discipline are the core pillars. Yes, we have 2 minutes. Anyone? Yes, who can add?
Yeah, actually, consistency about this, I would add the thing. Initially, I was not, I mean, watching you, and in the first season, in the second season also, sometime it happened, but day by day, consistency. I thought, no, this one is very important, and have to give some time to this also. Otherwise, someone will, go fast, and I will be slow.
Yes,
So
yes,
that's
yes.
that thing. Yeah, also you wanted to add something.
One exercise is there in this book to find your one thing, and one exercise is there. One very interesting exercise is there in this book to find your one thing. Like we have lot of things to do. Like we have lot of things to do
OC,
in
in
our
your
life,
room there is an
but
echo
doing that
coming.
we didn't.
OC, in your room there is some echo coming. Can you just open up some window or something? Go.
Yeah.
Is it possible? Like okay, because right now it's fine for
Okay,
a minute, but
it is possible. Yeah. It is possible, but Zoom meeting will be end.
नहीं, yeah,
In
okay.
1 minute.
ठीक है. Abhi continue, but when it is your turn to speak at that time, let me
Yes.
go clear. Okay, yeah,
Yes.
continue. 1 minute is there.
Yeah. Okay. So we need to apply 80-20 principle. Like we need to do that 20% work, which is
Highest
give us
priority.
80%.
Yes.
Yeah, 80% work. So
Yes.
like we have our to-do list, what we do in 1 day. So we need to apply 80-20 principle on that to-do list. So we will figure out one our success list, like what are the important things to do in our routine. So after getting what success list, again we have to put 80-20 principle, like what are the 20% important work which will give us 80%